This is my truck right here, you know, pretty much simple shit, yo. Already started the bitch up right there. I got the lights on, turn the fucking radio on. Here we go. Got money too, yo. Got the fucking dual tank right here too. Got the dual tank, fucking everything, yo. Fucking, you know, it's F-150, yo. Fucking durable truck, yo. Telling you. So, quick video, you know, that's it. Other than that, I got this fucking thing right there. On my shit, you know what I mean? On my shit.